Hello, super learners! Are you ready for some number fun today? We're going to learn about something super cool called addition. Addition means putting things together. It means we have some things and we get even more. We use this special sign, the plus sign, to show we're adding. It looks like a little cross. Let's try our first addition puzzle. Look! Here is one happy blue star. And here is another happy blue star. When we put one star together with one star, how many do we have in total? Let's count them all together. 1, 2. Wow, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Great job! Let's try another one. How many yellow stars do we have here? Let's count. 1, 2. We have 2 yellow stars, and we're going to add one more red star. So 2 stars plus 1 star, how many is that all together? Let's count them all right now. 1, 2, 3. Amazing! 2 plus 1 equals 3. You're super smart. Now let's use some colorful circles. How many green circles do we have? 1, 2, 3. 3 green circles. And we're adding 2 more pretty purple circles. 3 green circles plus 2 purple circles. How many circles do we have in total? Let's count them all right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fantastic! 3 plus 2 equals 5. You're getting so good at this. We did such a great job adding today. Remember, addition is just putting groups of things together to find out how many we have in all. Keep practicing your numbers, and I'll see you next time